Hey guys, Brian O'Brien here with Eating NorCal, and we are in Sacramento, California at Hook and Ladder Manufacturing Company. You guys told me this is a place to eat, so let's go check it out. This unique eatery in Midtown is known for their food as well as their cocktails. Let's start with a cocktail. Here's Jessica with a cocktail she created on her own.
This is a gin cocktail. We use City Break gin. We had kind of a special going on with them. All their proceeds were going to, it was the campfire victims, and now I think they're doing another just fundraising kind of thing. So that's kind of our well gin that we've been working with. Rosemary and cranberries. There we are.
So again, this is the Midtown Bright, which is a gin-based cocktail, and I love it. It's got cranberry juice, it's got lemon juice, and it's gin, and really the combination of those three are really delicious. And you smell the rosemary when you put it up to your palate. Awesome, awesome drink. Highly recommend. So first up, we have the chickpea fritter. Now, those of you who aren't familiar with chickpeas, if you're familiar with hummus, hummus is made out of chickpeas. So what they did here is they have obviously done something with the chickpeas to turn them into basically chickpea fries, and it's served here with a salsa verde. So I'm really excited to try these out. Ooh, really warm and soft. It's kind of like a spongy French fry feeling. It's really delicious actually. It's not as crispy as you'd think it'd be, but I really like it. This salsa verde is very fresh. It brings a brightness to the dish. Really beautiful looking dish, and it tastes spectacular. All right, next up we have a chicken parmesan sandwich. Now this is something that was one of my favorite dishes when I was a kid, chicken parmesan specifically, turned into a sandwich. As you can see, it's on some beautifully toasted sourdough bread, served with salad here. But let's taste it. Right away you taste the crispiness of the chicken, the cheese, but really what stands out is the tomato sauce. Very herbaceous sauce. And they actually have basil leaves in there as a garnish. You would usually see like lettuce on a salad, but this has actual basil leaves. Really, really tasty, and it's really classic Italian. All those classic basil, tomato, chicken, mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna keep going on this. All right, next up we have the Buddha Fara sausage sandwich, and it looks like it's got some pepper and onions on it. It's on a roll. It looks beautiful, it really does. All right, let's see what it's like. Very delicious sausage, extremely herbaceous. You taste the sweetness of the peppers and the onions right away. I think that's arugula in there. It's a little bit of a bitter flavor, and it's actually delicious. Let's try these homemade fries, nice and thick. They're really crunchy, honestly, and that's exactly what I like. Phenomenal. So just finished up. Again, I got the chickpea fritters, absolutely delicious and a beautiful dish. I got the Buddha Fara sausage sandwich, really, really elegant, really standalone, very unique sausage sandwich, beautifully seasoned with the onions and peppers. And then my personal favorite of the three dishes was the chicken parm sandwich. Chalk that up to my childhood. Chicken parm is just something that I have a guilty pleasure for, but they did it perfectly. I love the basil on the sandwich. Absolutely phenomenal. Now I'm gonna finish my cocktail and say goodbye. Well, Hook and Ladder Manufacturing Company is a phenomenal restaurant. Take it from me. I want to thank the crew for having me, the chef. The food was phenomenal. Jessica, thank you for the amazing cocktail. If you guys are ever in Sacramento and looking for a great place for lunch, Hook and Ladder Manufacturing Company. I'm Brian O'Brien, and this is Eating NorCal.